So this is part 2, how to make a cookie game. So what we did the last time is that we did the fixing. Now we need to do the sizing. When you click the cookie. You want to see inside. My Wi-Fi is pretty slow if you see. I know. Okay. Is it done? Okay, let's stop it. So doing the set size didn't actually work. It would change size whenever you. So what this means, when you click it, it changes the size. And now we just want to make it say a sound. Okay. I'll just pick a sound. I recommend using the coin. You can just duplicate that and do a start sound. But this is inaccurate, so what you have to do here. Okay, now a colorful background. So just pick any. Just pick. I'll just pick the neon tunnel. And if you want it to be glowing, because this needs to be a stupid project, just copy, paste. Oh, my thing doesn't work that much. And name it backdrop. Oops. Oh yeah, do the positioning of the cookie.
I'm getting good at
0.